Hey everybody, Picker Reviews here, and today I'm going to show you a great tool that you can use to source on eBay at home. So I'm using nobids.net. There's other websites you can use, but basically we're going to type in what we're looking for and it will bring us to the eBay page and it will automatically populate all the misspellings. So let's just type in Beatles, B-E-A-T-L-E-S, and we're going to exclude how we spell the actual bug beetles. And we're going to look for auctions and let's see what we find. So here we can see all the different typos of beetles. We have two T's here, we have two T's here, and we have the L before the E here. So you can go through, make sure you go ahead, play around with it a little bit. There's a whole bunch of things you could do. It would be impossible for me to cover everything in a short video. So go ahead and do that, and good luck out there. If you like this video and you want to see more, please do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you on the flip side.